Hello, how is everyone doing on this wonderful day? Welcome to my channel. I'm Marcella with Dream Plan Hustle Achieve, and today we are going to be doing some more Planner Kate sticker haul. Woo! Oh, sorry, I lost my breath for a second. Okay, so yeah, I just kind of recently posted one, and if you saw it, I had got some, oh, yeah, I'm breathing heavy. Color code sheets. I can't think of it. And because I needed to find, I wanted some Bill Do stickers for my June monthly, and so I saw these. Okay, so here's some freebies, some nice little titles, tasks, and some dots, and some really thin, I was about to say thinners, some really thin headers, and like little side borders. Oh my gosh. Okay. And so while I was doing that, I found, here's some monthly labels, and here's your sidebar. Yes, it was a monthly. And look at these. Isn't that just gorgeous? And I couldn't help myself, so I had to get it. I had planned to do regular red, white, and blue for July's monthly, but excuse me, I saw these and I couldn't help myself. And because I wasn't sure what I needed, I got the whole set. And I was like, I'll just figure it out. Yet again, like the other video. I'll just figure it out. Okay, and so the stickers I needed was this color, and they had enough, because if you saw my monthly billing video, yeah, you saw I have a lot of bills at this moment while I pay off credit, and it was enough, so I just took this sheet, and then I requested this sheet. And however, these colors might look alike, but this is a lighter purple than this shade. And then there was another one of more of like this teal color that I was supposed to get, but yeah, that didn't happen. So now I probably won't be able to use these because I need to get that video filmed. Like, I normally film my June monthly in the beginning of the month, and we are, today is May the 16th. So yeah, way behind. And I can't wait on her stickers. Okay, and then I waited to order those for on Monday because it was Misfit Monday grab bag, and I really like to get these because you get so many good stickers, and you can't go wrong. I mean, well, go wrong because don't fit your planner, but you know, whatever. For the price is all good. So you have these awesome headers, and I have quite a few of her stuff already because yeah, I bought quite a bit of Misfit bags, and that was prior to me. If you follow me on IG, I've posted, you know, Happy Mail from her. You got these cute small banners and some, I don't know what those are called, I forgot. And then you got some of these little headers for stuff. And then you got these. And so yeah, and then here's some more. There's different colors, and you know, therefore plenty to utilize for something. And here's and see if you see, it's Moxie. So the Misfit grab bags, it varies sizes that you'll get, and some of them you could just do some little sticker surgery, and you know, 7x9, 7x9, like 7x9 kind of don't matter, except for, depends on the layout and font, I'm sure, or not the font, but the layout. So you have that for your weekly And I'm sure you could use it for your monthly as well. But then, as you know, stickers, we can use it for whatever the hell we want to, right? And then you got this cute borders, strips, washi strips, thick washi strips. Yeah. What do you call them? And looks like some planner stuff, some happy mail. Ooh, some heels. Yes. And sweater. Can't tell if that's makeup. I don't want to like get my head all in the screen. And then here is a petite monthly. I'm not sure what it fits, but it's in November. That is too cute. And I'm sure, you know, I don't know, 'cause she has Erin Condren, Happy Planner, Moxie, some other stuff. And so you got some more headers with some dashed lines. Oh, yay. Some national days. I like these kinds. There's some pretty greens. I was seeing, oh yeah, Erin Condren. You see A5 Daily. You know, so what would I use? I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I'll also will be, since I got a lot of stuff, and some of the stuff I won't use, I'll put it in like my giveaways, because, you know, for somebody else that can use it. And see, here's a 7x9. It's a transaction log, like the fall, November-ish type deal. You have a weekly check-in, 7x9. Yes, I could utilize that. And actually seeing these, and you know, 'cause like I said, I got quite a few other Misfit. Like the first time I found out about them, I bought 10, I think, or 5. I don't remember, but it was 5 or 10. And so I was like, ooh, and then it's like seeing all the budget stuff, and I'm like, hold on, wait a minute. Ooh, and some to pay scripts. There we go, scripts, guys. And she makes these as washi tapes, so there you go. Now I can put these and then put like each bill that I pay or that I need to pay. Oh, look at this. And see, this is a EC 7x9 monthly sheet. So yeah, just different things. And some boxes, journal boxes could be, I guess. And here's a Moxie A5 daily sheet. I really like these, but like, I know I wouldn't utilize these. And then, because I don't do dailies, because I was like, I could use that, but then, you know, I don't know. But again, it's like, because I don't want to take some and then have a sheet and be like, hey, here you go, type deal. And some lemons. So lemons, I might have something that matched this. Yeah, so I have to put, you know, everything together. We shall see. So that's the first package. And then you have a second one. Okay, well, you know I do. All right, some more headers. And as you can see, like from what I've gathered, they're like perfectly fine to me. You know, so it's not like you're getting a whole bunch of messed up ones. I have yet to find, well, not that I like look super hoard or whatever, find any kind of messed up ones. And so if you do it on Mondays, it's $5 each. However, it stops 9 p.m. Eastern time. I like those colors. And then if not, it's $10. So yes, let's get them. And then see, as you see, I had this in the first set, right? Yeah. And so sometimes you'll get duplicates, you know, but yeah, and I've got that first set too. But, you know, ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I got quite a few of different ones of these. Then you got these. I've seen these. These are cute, but I'm like, I've yet to see somebody utilize it. Like, are you utilizing, you know, for the week and then putting the date in there? Or, I mean, of course, we can utilize stickers for all kinds of stuff, but I like to see other people's stuff. There's some nice colors. This is for ECA5 Daily Duo, which I have no idea what that means. I'm still trying to learn these A5 and sizes and all kinds of stuff. I'm like, whatever. I guess if I ain't got it, what does it matter, right? And then you have some actions. Okay, there we go. I'm going to have to remember these are actions. And see, I definitely won't use this, so this will be put up for a giveaway so somebody can utilize them. I love it. I love it. Another little savings tracker for A5. And see, like this would be another giveaway. Oh, I love these. It's 8 by 5 by 11. Now, however, I can trim it and then cut these and make them shorter if I want to. I wonder now, granted, when you have these, because another set that I have, I did look them up to see if I can get like the whole budget kit, or at least the ones I want, and some of them, the style is no longer sold, so I'm gonna have to check this one out, because I really like the colors on these leaves. Like, what? And if not, then I'm gonna have to probably do some sticker surgery just so I can utilize that one. Oh, look at this one. And she does, well, obviously, as you see this, it's a make your own is what MYO monthly, 7 by 9. You know, you got your months and just slap your month on there. But she sells them like that as well. Oh, and you got some dates. Got lots of those. I like these different colors. And then here you got some checklists. Is that just one long checklist? I think it is. Yeah, it sure is. It's one long checklist. Well, I'm sure it makes sense because it's a Moxie A5 Daily. So whatever that looks like, if y'all familiar, then y'all understand that long one. I guess that'd be kind of like in the Happy Planner when it has that long side of to you can just slap that there. Now, however, would it fit right? I don't know. And then you got some times. I really like that. I like cute little times. I got some on there just separate times, not arrow. These nice leaves and things. Then you have the comp vertical 7 by 9 and some checklists. I guess this would be like used for a monthly maybe, because you have that. I'm not sure what that is, but yeah. Oh, I really like these. I have a few of these. Oh, I like that. It's just, you know, I don't have a planner that does that. So that's what all that is. And everything else. So those are the 2 packs and this and that. And so real quick, I had to go grab my Planner Kate sticker sampler. So this is what I put these in. See, as I said, I have, you know, all these other ones, and so that's how I store all these. And then my other stickers, and since I already had it, it's a Mojo Jojo sticker album, I utilize the other sizes that fit in those. And so yeah, so you can get, you know, when you have some of these, you have that. But there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, God bless, and I hope you have a wonderful day.